Corona. Whose signature is that?
Pirma po ni Mrs. Corona ito. Dahil nagpirmahan kami magkaharap eh.
Okay.
And meron kaming testigo, si Attorney Emmanuel Sison at saka si Attorney Melchor Monsod, our City Legal Officer.
Okay. Meron ho bang ebidensya na itong deed of absolute sale ay dumaan sa legal office ng lungsod ng Maynila?
Natitiyak ko po sapagkat hindi naman ako pipirma ng anuman dokumento na hindi sinuri at pinag-aralan ng aming abogado to make sure that all the requirements that we are expecting from the document are all contained in the final deed of sale. At meron po ng mga dokumento itong, I'm sure, on the endorsements of the necessary documents that we are asking for or to be acted on. Meron pong mga endorsement letters yan.
Okay, pinapakita ko po sa inyo ang isang endorsement dated March 9, 2001, marked as exhibit na hinihingi naming markahan na exhibit 234. Pakitingnan ho ninyo yung nakapirma dyan sa exhibit 234 at pakisabi ninyo kung kanino ang pirma yan.
Ito po ay endorsement ng City Legal Office. Pirmado po ng City Legal Officer, Attorney Melchor Monsod, na nagsasaad na yung kanilang inahandang deed of absolute sale ay kalakip at hinihingan po nila ng approval ng inyong lingkod.
Pinapakita ko ang first endorsement na may petsang Mayo 16, 2001. Ano ho ba itong endorsement na ito?
Ito po naman ay, again, another referral, endorsement of the Secretary to the Mayor, to the Office of the City Accountant, requesting issuance of the necessary certificate of availability of funds in the amount of 34 million pesos for payment of the property located along Legarda, Sampalo, covered by TCT 76220.
Meron hong pirma dyan sa first endorsement na yan. Kanino pirma yan?
Si Attorney Sison yan. Kilala ko po yung pirmang yan.
Okay, may we request, Your Honor, that this first endorsement dated May 16, 2001 be marked as Exhibit 235.
Mark it accordingly.
Pinapakita ko rin sa inyo ang second endorsement na may petsang Mayo 22, 2001. Ano ho ito?
Ito po naman ay referral din ng tanggapan ni Attorney Sison to the Chief Accounting and Property Division, the attached certificate, na-issue na po ng Certificate of Availability of Funds noong halagang 34,700,000 as payment of the property.
Merong pirma dyan sa second endorsement.
Pirmado po ni Attorney Emmanuel Sison.
Okay. May we request, Your Honor, that the second endorsement dated May 22, 2001 be marked as Exhibit 236.
Mark it accordingly.
Alam ho ba ninyo kung anong nangyari sa dalawang request at endorsements na ito?
Opo, yun po ay tumakbo na sa proseso at nagbunga na yan ng
Nung sinabi niyong nagbunga, gusto ho ba niyong sabihin na-aprobahan ang availability of funds?
Nagkaroon po ng certification of funds availability that could lead, that should lead to the preparation of the necessary checks.
Pinapakita ko sa inyo ang isang sulat na may petsang Mayo 18, 2001. Ito ho ba yung sinasabi ninyo?
Ito po yung sulat na po ng City Accountant na nagmumula po sa and the Office of the City Treasurer and the Office of the City Budget Officer. Tatlo po silang nag-certify ng availability of funds.
Meron ho mga pirma dyan.
Andito po
Paki-identify ho nga ninyo
City
kung kanino.
Treasurer Liberty Toledo, City Accountant Gloria Quilantang, City Budget Officer Alice Muscaya.
May I request, Your Honor, that this letter dated May 18, 2001 be marked as Exhibit 237.
Mark it accordingly.
Pagkatapos i-issue ang Certificate of Availability of Funds, ano ang ginawa ng City of Maynila tungkol sa bid of absolute sale?
Nagpirma na nga po kami at meron na pong pera pambayad.
Paano ho ninyo binayaran itong 34
Sige
million
po, naalala ko.
703,800?
In the form of a check of the city government, of the
Okay.
City of Manila.
Pinapakita ko sa inyo ang isang cheque ng Land Bank number 188804 dated June 5, 2001 na may halagang 34,703,800 pesos. Ito ho ba yung cheque?
Bagamat hindi po ako nakapirma rito, ang nakapirma po rito ay City Treasurer at yung Secretary to the Mayor by authority of the Mayor as he was the signatory to all our payments at that time.
Who is the payee of that check?
Ito po yung naka-address po sa Cristina Corona ITF in Trust 4, Basa Guidote Enterprises Incorporated.
If I'm not mistaken, this was previously marked as Exhibit 44 for the defense early on.
Are you marking the check?
I have a copy here coming from the Secretariat, Your Honor, which we will adopt as our own as exhibit.
If Your Honor, please.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Has the defense marked the check as exhibit?
Your Honor, what we marked earlier was a Xerox copy. But this check, which is now being presented, came from the auditing office, Your Honor, the COA,
Of?
the Commission on Audit, Your Honor.
Yes. And you are marking it?
We would like to mark it as Exhibit 238, Your Honor.
So mark it accordingly.
And for the prosecution as Exhibit 11J, Your Honor, for the front portion and the dorsal portion as 11J-1, Your Honor.
Mark the
Maybe also,
same accordingly for the prosecution.
maybe also request that the dorsal portion be marked as Exhibit 238-A.
For the defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
mark
Your
it
Honor,
accordingly.
Your Honor, may we request for further marking, submarking? We would like to request that the entry at the back portion thereof, reading for deposit to account 001512-0029-74 and the name Cristina R. Corona be encircled and be further marked Exhibit 11 J-2, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly for the prosecution.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Meron ho bang katibayan na ito ay natanggap, itong cheque ay natanggap ni Ginang Corona?
Yan po yung natitiyak ko sapagkat sa opisina ko po na kami nagkaroon kami ng simple ceremony of agreement na ikinatuwa ng lahat.
Meron ho bang voucher ito?
Meron po. At
Okay.
covered by the necessary vouchers.
May we request, pinapakita ko po sa inyo ang isang voucher. Ano ho yung kaugnayan nitong voucher na ito doon sa inyong sinabi?
Ito po ang official document that allows or the preparation and the release of the money.
Okay, there appears at the bottom of the voucher under received a signature. Whose signature is that?
Ang tumanggap po ay si Cristina R. Corona.
Okay. May I request, Your Honor, that this voucher be marked as Exhibit 239.
Mark it accordingly.
Tinatawag ko ho ang pansin ninyo, Ginoong Mayor, sa paragraph 2 ng Deed of Absolute Sale. Pakikita nga kay Mayor ang Deed of Absolute Sale
Opo.
na nagsasaad, simultaneously with the payment of the said sum, Basa Guidotti shall voluntarily surrender to the city its owner's duplicate copy of TCT number 76220. Ano ba ang nangyari pagkabigay ng tseke kay Ginang Cristina Corona?
Ang akin pong nakita, sa kaalaman ko po, tinurn over po yung, nakita ko po yung titulo at tinanggap naman po ng aming city legal officer and at ni Secretary Season.
May I request, Your Honor, that a Xerox copy of the title TCT number 76220 be marked as Exhibit 240